Yeah.
We saw.
That kind of flipped me out when I saw CSX locomotive police today in Stockton. I was like, what the fuck? We're in the wrong damn part of the country, man.
Yeah, really.
SP on the side, right? The speed limiter. Then when we came by
Oh yeah,
here,
we got some SP power going through off and on. It
then
was
when you
patched
came by
though.
here, it was awesome because you can still.
He's coming in on a house track. It looks like.
Yep.
Cool.
He needs to do a shave and a haircut. They already
Yeah.
do.
I wonder if it's Dale Power. That would make sense. Truck was parked down there. He's right in the cab. Well, he's conducting. I don't know. It looked like him. Because I know he works night. Works randomly.
This will run all the way around the yard, so I think the racks. I think the racks are off of this one. On the other side of the shops.
Really? So Teresa and
Map
Boys
of
went
the yard.
to church?
I haven't. I don't know what they've changed down here.
So they've been home all day. I actually haven't been